Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't, and today we are going to install Visual Studio Code in Arch, Manjaro and other Arch based distros. You can read more about it on Arch wiki for the installation. Like here we have different packages. Let me quickly tell you. We are going to install this one, vscodium-bin, the binary package. It will take less internet and less space. And all of the Microsoft telemetry are stripped out. And if you want to install other packages, then you just have to replace vscodium-bin with the package name right here. Okay. Same goes for all other commands. You have to replace it. So today we are going to install it using AUR helper. You can use paru if you have, or if you don't have any of these AUR helpers, you can go with the second installation method. Execute these commands one by one and it will be installed. So let me install using drag and drop this command. Now you have to select the package. So we are going to install this first one. So just type 1 and press enter. Now type capital N and press enter. And now it is going to download the latest binary package. Make sure you have a good internet connection. So it is getting downloaded now. You can see it is only 105 MB, 105 MB. And it has downloaded. Now extracting and it will install. Now when installing, it will ask for the user password. Type it and press enter. And it has been successfully installed. Let us check it. You can see vscodium. Here we have. Let us launch it now. And here we go. We have the VS Code. Now you can change the settings whichever you want or mark as done. And this is the Visual Studio Code. Just the name is changed to vscodium. So that is it. You can configure however you want. And please subscribe to BoostUpStation, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.